Welcome to VLOGMAS 2. We're gonna drift out today, I know. It's crazy.
Just about to go on a drive today. I ain't really had nothing planned. So I already got the tripod set up in the V. VLOGMAS going crazy. I know you see the hoodie too. Stop playing. To the spaceship. Just started the V. We gonna let her warm up. Safety first. Alright, so I pretty much did everything I wanted to my car. Exhaust, tune. Now it's really just all cosmetics, you feel me? And I didn't really make a video on it. I might make a video on this, but the new display screen, it's the 8.8 OEM one. So that's cool. Also, it's touchscreen. It's pretty fire. Pretty much all I really got planned for the rest of my car is just cosmetic stuff. Yeah, I did the mirror caps. I did the front lip, spoiler, diffuser in the back. Only thing is though, like, I did crack that front spoiler, so I need to get a new one. The last video I just made, I just installed the yellow CSL DRLs, so those are pretty fire too, and I'm enjoying those. It made my car look like, I don't know, just way more aggressive. Like, yo, he got something done to his car for sure. That's how I look at it. I did get new tires recently. Or my bad. I'm gonna try and transfer the tires I just got onto the new wheels. But I'm not gonna get new wheels until like probably like not till next year, bro. Cause it's Christmas coming up and I gotta buy a bunch of gifts and all that, so yeah. So new wheels. Still debating about getting a new bumper. I low-key do want to get the M2 bumper, but at the same time, I don't want to come off as like posing as like I am, you know? I might just get the GTS hood and call it a day, because my bumper is fucked. Oh yeah, the reason why my bumper is fucked is because it low-key ripped off some internals off like the undercarriage. So yeah, there's that. So I know if I get a new bumper, I'm gonna probably have to do more than just change out my current OEM bumper. So I might just rock out with the current OEM bumper and get a new front lip. But I know if I get a front lip, it might not sit how I want it to sit because, you know, all the damage. So there's that. Spooky. It is spooky for sure. Don't get the M2 bumper. I most likely am just gonna get the GTS hood. I did want to get the carbon fiber one just so I didn't have to paint it, but that's just me being, I guess, like cheap, but not really, because the carbon fiber hood is more expensive than the one that's not painted. So I think I'm just gonna get the GTS hood. Whoa, you guys good? I think I'm just gonna get the GTS hood and have it painted. Because if I get the carbon fiber hood, I gotta get new hood struts too. Because obviously the carbon fiber hood is lighter than the current hood. But the whip is coming along. The whip is coming along for sure. I'm pretty much done with it. Like wheels, GTS hood, and lower. That's pretty much it, bro. Pretty much done performance wise. We already stage 2, downpipe, all that, exhaust, you feel me? Oh, I'm lying. Thing I do want to do performance wise, I want to get the M Performance limited slip differential LSD. So I do want to get the M Performance LSD, but that joint is a bag. That joint like 2,500, I think. It's like 2,500, bro. 2,500 plus installation. I couldn't install it myself, but it's just an OD job, you know. I'd rather just pay the money to have it done. So I do want to get that done, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to finish cosmetic wise or if I want to go in performance wise, you know. I'm low-key leaning cosmetic wise just because I'm almost done. Like, this is literally how I envision it, bro. Like, I ain't really know when I first got it how I wanted to do it, but just as time passed, I got the vision for it, you feel me? So it's lit. Really, all I need now is the wheels, bro. I need wheels in performance LSD, and we're good. We're good, and I'm gonna keep my baby till the wheels fall off, for real. I ain't even get to do too much to the 128, man. That's the one that got away from me, for real. I still think about that car. R.I.P. Mocha, man. But I don't plan on making anything too crazy. Just because it's my daily and I don't have any other car. I am leaning towards a bike soon. Bike life, you know what I mean? But bike life gonna be litty. But that's for sure not till next year. Maybe not even 2 years. Because, you know, I just want to get Bay right before I even venture off to the bike. Because I know once I get into the bikes and whatnot, I'm gonna want to make my bike like hella nice, just like I made baby girl hella nice. Celebrity, you know what I mean? If you ain't know, her name is Soler, but she got multiple nicknames. Life soon. I don't plan on going too crazy with the bike. Probably like a 400cc, 600cc max. Because I know myself. I know if I got the power, I'm gonna want to test it out. Also, I turned off the active sound design too. I was trying to code in like the M3 sound, but it just didn't work. And now it's just off completely, so I just left it like that. I'm loving the 240, man. There hasn't been a moment where I haven't been in love with this car. So I'm grateful for it, for real. Not to get all like deep and in feelings. Third, I'm about to just enjoy this little cruise, and I will see you on Vlogmas 3.
The shit be giving it, scrolling through my call log, my emojis, I'm saving them tomorrow. That's the beat from my old ones, but I favorite them, the butterfly emoji only.